Here is a PSE convertible pilot assembly for use in direct vent hearth appliances. This pilot can be converted between natural gas and propane using the conversion tab. This pilot assembly comes standard natural gas, but always verify the gas type before installing. To check the gas type, simply look at the tab. Natural gas will be a solid tab labeled NAT for natural, while propane will have a hole in the center, typically colored red, labeled LPG. Now to convert this pilot from natural gas to propane, we're going to need to take a 7/16 open-end wrench and place it on the target hex of the pilot hood. Once you have your wrench in place, turn the wrench counterclockwise to loosen the pilot hood, and you'll now see that our tab slides back and forth between natural and propane. Once the propane side of the tab is showing, slightly tighten the hood down. The tab is in place. We'll take our wrench and we'll tighten it all the way down. Until our pilot hood is facing our thermocouple, thermopile, and our burner. Now that we've converted this pilot to propane, it's ready for installation.